A very rainy day today. Sun came out between 8 and 11, and Minnie went potty, and it started raining so hard and sideways that it sounded like a hurricane was coming. Jeez. Anyway, Kitty's sleeping. And Minnie wants to be her friend, but it's not happening. Kitty's pissed. I'm going to take a little step back, and I'm going to have to intervene because little somebody... Spray bottle. I know you want to be her friend, but she just swiped you in the face. And I don't think she broke any skin. I know. But Kitty's not happy. She doesn't like you. You're big, you're loud, and you're scary. Shh. She's whining. That wasn't a growl, that was a whine. This is how we're going to spend our rainy afternoon. No, Minnie. Spray bottle. Still trying. That's one thing. Minnie does not like to be told no, that she can't do something or she gets mad. But unless she wants the claws of fury to attack her and make her bleed and give her ouchies, then she better stop. That's not a growl, that is a whine. That's how she whines. Oh. It's okay. It's okay. You stay there. Leave your sister alone. Oh, look, and it's starting to rain harder again. And those are Lillian's plants that she's been growing. I have no idea what everything is. I think I see some grass in there. She's just randomly growing stuff. Oh, here we go. Let the annoyance commence. I know, it's very frustrating when the kitty doesn't give you love or let you give love. I know. But can you blame her? You got big teeth. And you're big and scary. Kitty wants to sleep. Alright, let's leave her alone. Do you want a treat? Would you like a treat? Are you being a good girl? Well, you do want a treat. You licking your lips because you want a treat? Treat? Oh, okay. Let's go get treats. Come on. Come on. Let's go get the treats.